Here I have a watch. And here I have another watch. But here is my binary watch. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new project that I made. But first, what do you think of when you hear the word watch? Personally, I think of a clock mini-sized on your wrist with either hands or a digital clock with numbers. But today I'm going to show you a very geeky version of a watch which displays the time in binary. Before I show you my watch, I'm going to first take a look and introduce the concept of binary. Okay, before we take a look at binary, I want to take a look at the current number system we use, which is decimal. So decimal is base 10, which means that the highest number it can count to is 9, and then it has to carry the 1 to the tens place. While in binary, it's base 2, which means there are only two possible numbers, 0 and 1, and when it gets to past 1, or 2, then it has to carry a 1 to become 1, 0. I know most of you have probably seen binary in stuff like The Matrix, where they have a whole bunch of numbers on the screen. But first, let's take a look at how to count in binary. So, we'll start with 0, 1, 1, 0, because we have carried the 1 to the second place value. And then 1, 1, we add 1. Now, we have to carry it across, so it becomes 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Same thing happens again, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, and finally 1, 1, 1, 1. Now these numbers correspond to decimal numbers, of course, with the first number being 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, and last number being 15. So now we can take a look at how to convert from binary numbers to decimal numbers. It's actually quite easy. We take an example, let's say 110101, and note that since my binary watch only goes up to 60, that's the max number I can display, since time only goes up to 60, it only has 6 place values. So let's take a look at this number. We have 110101. So the way you want to do this is you want to take 2 to the power of the place value. For example, number to the most right would be the 0th place, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So what would happen is we would place those numbers on top of those numbers. So to the 0th power is 1, to the first power is 2, to the second, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on with more digits in binary. But right now we only need 6 because we only have 6 digits. So let's convert. How do we do this? Basically, what all have to do is add up the numbers that have a 1 under it. So since 32 has a 1 under it, it would be 32 plus 16 plus 4 plus 1. And this would give us a number of 53. So 110101 equals 53 in decimal. Okay, so this is my watch. So as you can see, there are 2 buttons. One is called select, and the other one's called mode. And for example, we can press this button to look at the time right now, and it displays at 7, 8 plus 1, 9. So 7:09. So now we can adjust the clock. Hold on this button, and we can change the time. So now it's hours. So press this button to adjust. Let's say change it to 12. Press this to change the minutes. Let's say 12:16. Press mode. Now it's set. Now you press this now, and it changes to 12:16. And then you can also press this button to change it to the display the seconds. So now, as you can see, it's currently just counting up its seconds right now. This is the current time. So this actually runs off of I probably can't see this, but the chip is a DS1302, which is a real-time clock. And let me open this up. You can see I have my custom printed circuit board, which is this black board right here. And in the back, there's tape, but it's powered by a coin battery. And the microcontroller I used was a STC204 microcontroller. That's all there is to my clock right now. In the future, I want to add probably more capabilities like timers, alarms, and other stuff like that. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and as I make more products, I'll post them in this channel for you to enjoy. See you next time.